The complete installation guide for Logistick's Super Wedge XL, the one-way solution for securing the heaviest of loads. After loading the cargo, determine the best location for installation. Keep in mind that multiple sets of Super Wedge XL may be needed to safely secure your cargo. Choose an area that will place the Super Wedge XL at the same height and position, assuring the beam will be installed parallel to the floor. The beam needs to be against the freight, which will prevent the cargo from starting to shift. The entire application area must be clean and dry to ensure proper installation. Use a dry cloth, and if needed, a scraper and rubbing alcohol to remove loose dirt, dust, condensation, or frost from the application area. Remove the tape backing from one Super Wedge XL and place it in the desired application area on the wall. After removing the tape backing from the second Super Wedge XL, place it on the opposite wall in the same height and position as the first. Important: once the Super Wedge XL are installed, they cannot be repositioned. A single 4x4 is needed with Super Wedge XL. Measure the inside width of the trailer at the application area. For proper fit and pressure, the wood beam needs to be on average 5 inches less than the inside width. For flexible areas, start with a beam 4.5 inches less than the inside width. For rigid areas, start with a beam 5.5 inches less than the inside width. When installing on lift points, start with a beam 6 inches less than the inside width. A longer beam creates more outward pressure to maximize performance. Place one end of the 4x4 into the pocket of the first Super Wedge XL and rest the opposite end of the beam at the top of the ramp on the second Super Wedge XL. Force the beam down the ramp of the second Super Wedge XL until it is under the retention clips and locked into place. If this is too difficult, trim 1/8 of an inch off the end of the beam and reattempt installation. Proper installation will result in trailer walls expanding outward slightly. Maximum outward pressure equals maximum performance.